Namaskar and welcome to the star reading. Now, this is the reading for the sign of Pisces. Today, I'm going to start with Pisces uh, for from 14th to rather from 15th to 31st of January. That is the second half of January. Now, your overall energy रहेगी Pisces के लिए and please remember this is a general reading, so it may not resonate with all of you. And also you can check your sun, moon, rising and Venus. So here we'll see what is the energy. Now tomorrow, whenever you are seeing this video, tomorrow, which is 11th of January, we have the new moon in Capricorn. So it's like about new beginnings, new startups, whatever new you want to start in your life. It's very auspicious to start. So there will be lot of changes in the second half of January, and also Pluto is moving into Aquarius, from Capricorn. So it will be huge 21st and 22nd of January. बहुत ही important dates हैं, making headlines. So let's see what's going on with the Pisces from 15th to 31st of January. Please show me what's there for Pisces as the overall energy from 15th to 31st of January. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Okay, Pisces, we have got the 5 of Wands for you from 15th to 31st of January. नाउ 5 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, आप कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड रहेंगे पाइसेस. या तो ये एक आपकी इंटरनल, आपके अंदर कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, कुछ तूफान चल रहा है किसी चीज़ को लेकर के, एंड यू आर इंटरनली आप किसी चीज़ को लेके हमेशा कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड रहते हैं, उलझन में रहते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो दिस कुड बी समथिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. हो सकता है आपकी फैमिली में कुछ इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो, या आपके ऑफिस में टेंशन्स हो सकते हैं, वर्क प्लेस में टेंशन्स हो सकते हैं, डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकता है, मतभेद हो सकते हैं. All these things, with the Queen of Swords, yeah, you're very cold and detached, and you're feeling lost somehow, Pisces. We'll clarify and see why it is so. Now we have got the 10 of Wands, we have got the 6 of Pentacles, we have got the Queen of Pentacles, and we have got the Temperance. तो यहाँ पे तो ऐसा लग रहा है Pisces कि आप द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ दैट कि अगले सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ जनवरी में आप कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड होने के बावजूद भी यू विल ट्राई टू रिमेन कूल. आप अपना बैलेंस बनाए रखेंगे. You will be very patient with someone. This is Queen of Pentacles. I don't know, male, female, whoever it is. And you will be balancing out your karma. और ये कह सकते हैं कि आप अपने आप को एक बैलेंस स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में रखेंगे, और आपको जो कुछ भी प्रैक्टिकली किसी के लिए कुछ करना है या अपने लिए खुद के लिए कुछ करना है, बराबर करेंगे. Although you feel that there will be lot of responsibilities on you, and you are weighed down by the responsibilities, लेकिन something very burdening is ending. कुछ आपकी लाइफ में जो burdensome situation थी वो end हो रही है. आप उस बोझ को उतार रहे हैं. very very beautiful, because you will remain very very patient with the Temperance. या आप जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा पेशेंटली चीज़ों को हैंडल करेंगे. सो आई वॉन्ट टू क्लैरिफाई दिस 10 of Wands. What is this which you are carrying, Pisces? What is this 10 of Wands? Show me one more card for Pisces, please. What's this 10 of Wands? Okay, so we have got the Knight of Swords, we have got the 6 of Swords, and we have got the Page of Pentacles. तो यहाँ पे Pisces ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप किसी चीज़ से भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. With the Knight of Swords, you see this person is running away. You are wanting to run to calmer waters. आप पीस चाहते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, और आपको there is an offer coming towards you with the Page of Pentacles, something to start new. So either you are wanting to start something, so you want to be peaceful, you want to be calm, और आपको लगता है कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा जो है वो आपको ये बर्डनसम लग रहा है. सो you know, I think it is somebody offering you this page of pentacles, or you are trying to start something new. Yeah, somebody from your past. I think this is someone else, and you just want to run away from that person. You just want to run away from this person, Pisces. These are what your energies are telling me. Now please clarify the Six of Pentacles. What's the Six of Pentacles for Pisces for the second half of January? Okay, no, there are too many. Please show me the Six of Pentacles for Pisces for the second half of January. Yeah. Okay, Pisces, we have got the Strength, we have got the World, and we have got the Six of Cups. So Six of Pentacles is clarified by these three cards. तो ऐसा लग रहा है Pisces कि आप एक बहुत ही, it's very huge, it is very huge. You are closing a very very karmic cycle in your life, and you know, with someone from your past. You have the Six of Cups, so it is someone from your past, and you are totally wanting to avoid this situation. लेकिन ये कोई ऐसा पर्सन है जो आप के साथ वापस आना चाहता है, जो आपके लिए कुछ करना चाहता है, इक्वल गिव एंड टेक करना चाहता है. लेकिन दिस कुड बी लियो, बिकॉज लियो इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हियर विद द स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड. तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ये डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा है इस पर्सन के साथ साइकिल क्लोज करना. यू वॉन्ट टू एंड यू विल बी क्लोजिंग. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वाई यू आर वेरी वेरी कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड. आप बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में है बिकॉज यू हैव टू क्लोज द साइकिल. बट एंड विद द टू ऑफ सॉर्ड्स आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि आप कैसे करें. सो आई थिंक बिकॉज आई थिंक देर इज़ समवन who wants equal give and take. वो आपके लिए नए सिरे से कुछ स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं. बिकॉज वी हैव गॉट द सिक्स ऑफ कप्स. दिस कुड बी अ सोलमेट, या जिससे आपका लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप रहा हो, एंड दैट इज़ वाई यू आर इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. नाउ लेट मी क्लैरिफाई the Queen of Pentacles for Pisces for the next 15 days. Yeah, we have got the Two of Cups, we have got the King of Cups, and we have got the Five of Wands. Five of Wands finally came out with the Queen of Pentacles. So this is someone who wants to offer you stability, who wants to this is someone who's very stable also, और वो आपको वापस से अप्रोच करना चाहते हैं. they are very stable, they are very very you know, they can be rich also, and male female doesn't matter. And I think Pisces, you have emotions for this person. हालांकि you are in the King of Cups energy, you have your emotions in control, but this is definitely is a soulmate connection with the Two of Cups. Lot of emotions with each other, और इसी को लेके आपको conflict है. So this is a very clear reading, and somebody wants victory, they want success, they want attention. वो आपको वापस पाना चाहते हैं Pisces. Somebody wants you back in their life. They want to be recognized, they want attention from you. Yeah, they are praying to God, they are hoping that they will get the victory. High Priestess, they are manifesting you. My God, all the major arcanas here with the Hanged Man, they have changed themselves a lot. So Pisces, this is all about a relationship, a past relationship which is already closed. I think you have already closed the relationship, but somebody still wants to open it. Somebody wants to come back. So you have to see this. Now let's clarify the Temperance. Let's clarify the Temperance of Pisces. Yeah, we have got the Eight of Wands, we have got the Death, we have got the Page of Wands. So definitely somebody here wants to communicate with you. Somebody wants to communicate with you, Pisces, but all this is ending. और आपने अपने आप को काफ़ी हील कर लिया है. डेथ, somebody wants to talk to you, they want to communicate with you, and they want to tell you that they have changed. The very important part is that they want to tell you they have changed. They want a new beginning with you. They have realized their mistakes. This is what they want to tell you, Pisces. So for the next second half of January, you are totally conflicted. Maybe आपका उस पर्सन से लड़ाई झगड़ा भी हो सकता है ड्यूरिंग कम्युनिकेशन. सो बी केयरफुल एंड यू वांट टू रन अवे from this person. Now let's see what is the oracle guidance for you, Pisces, for the next 15 days. What is the oracle guidance for you? Yeah, we have got be spontaneous. तो जो भी परिस्थिति आपके सामने आए आप उसी समय उसको डील करिए. देर इज़ नो नीड टू ओवर थिंक अ लॉट. कुछ ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड जो भी आपके सामने सिचुएशन आए उसको जस्ट रिलैक्स योर सेल्फ. यू हैव गॉट द रिलैक्सेशन कार्ड ऑल्सो. रिलैक्स योर सेल्फ, डोंट ओवर थिंक. और जो जैसे भी जो चीज़ सामने आए उसको उसी तरीके से फेस करिए. दिस इज़ द divine guidance to you. So this is what I have for you, Pisces. I hope it helped, and please hit the like button if you got something from it, and see you next time. Bye bye.